how are you, little friends? This is Sara. How are you today? Are you okay? That's good. Nice to see you again. Say hi. Hi. Let's say hi together. Hi. That's good. Well done. Today I'm going to talk about something very special and very cozy. I'm going to talk about the home. Do you love your home? Good. I love my home too. Everyone loves their home. We should keep our homes clean and tidy, and we should help mommy and daddy tidying the home. As we need homes to live, animals need home to live as well. So today we'll see different animals where they stay, what their homes are. Are you ready? Let's go to adventure. Look at this animal. This is a cat. A cat says meow. Can you say meow? Let's say meow together. Meow. Meow. Well done. You know where does cat live? What is cat's home? Guess. They live with us in our homes or in cat homes. This is a cat home, and look, this cat is sitting in the living room on a sofa. Say hi to Kitty. Hi. Little cat, purr so sweet, curling up right near my feet. On a mat, on a chair, Kitty sleeps just anywhere. Look, what is that? This is a nest. Can you see the nest? Good. This is a bird's nest. You can see little birds inside the nest. So the birds, they live in a nest and they say tweet, 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 tweet. Say bird, bird. Good job. Little bird up in the tree, singing songs so happily. Nest is where you love to rest, snuggled in your feathered nest. Woof woof, woof woof. Look, which animal is this? This is a dog. Dogs live on a farm with all other farm animals. A dog says woof, 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 woof. A dog says woof, woof, woof. Dogs also live in our homes as a pet. Look, this dog is sitting in a farm. And this dog is just sitting on a sofa. Say hi to dog. Hi doggy, hi dog. Say woof, woof, woof. Doggy, doggy, wag your tail, running fast along the trail. In your house so nice and snug, come back home and get a hug. Dogs are our best friends. They love to fetch and run around. Do you know where dogs sleep? Sometimes in the house or in a blanket. Look, this dog is sleeping in the house. Look, what is this? This is a bee buzzing around. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Say bee, bee. This is a honeybee. You know where does a bee live? Bees live on beehive. This is a beehive. Bees live in a beehive and make honey for us. They live in beehives with all their friends and they keep working together all day. Quack, 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 quack. Look, which animal is this? Quack, quack. This is a quack, quack duck. Ducks live in a pond. Look at this pond. Do you like swimming? Good. I love swimming as well. Ducks live in ponds and lakes and they keep splashing and swimming with all their other duck friends. Duckies swimming, 1, 2, 3, fluffy feathers full of glee. By the water splash and play, home so wet they love to stay. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you again with more animals homes. Bye for now and look after yourself. Keep smiling. Bye bye. Be happy. Smile and say bye. And please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.